it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, you all love my little quick, simple hack, my last video that I put out about how to DIY a beautiful wedding centerpiece using $5 flowers from Walmart. You guys ate that video up, and so I'm back with another quick tip video today. So one of the things I think a lot of people don't realize is how much prep goes into a wedding or an event before and after the event. And so in today's video, we're going to be focusing on a time saver that you can implement to prepare for your wedding or your event. So without any further ado, we're going to hop right in. Now, you all know just how much I love napkin rings from TotallyDazzle.com. I am going to be doing a Paris themed birthday party this weekend, and together we're going to prep the napkins because I want to do a different design with the napkins. So we're going to prep those napkins together in order to save time on setup the day of the event. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to separate the two types of napkins that we're going to be using. The colors for this, it's a springtime in Paris themed event, and so we're going to be using pink, black, and white. And so the first napkin I'm going to be folding kind of over, and then I decided, you know what, let me go ahead and just start folding these in the shape that I'm going to be using to create the napkin bow fold. And so what you want to do is just fold them over in a triangular shape. And then once you do that and you get them all stacked up and ready to go, you want to be sure to cut off any additional or loose threads so that, you know, whenever you put them on the plate, they look nice and neat. Now, I will also say that you will need a napkin that is at least a 20-inch by 20-inch napkin. I don't believe that the 17 by 17 will be able to create a nice size bow like you would want for your event. I'm going to be using 3 different types of fabric. When I'm folding these napkins, I'm using satin, I'm using crinkled taffeta, and then I'm also going to be using polyester. So right now I'm folding the crinkled taffeta. It may look wrinkled to you on the screen, but it is crinkled. So it is not wrinkled, it's crinkled. So that is one thing I wanted to kind of try out to test every type of fabric that you would typically use for a napkin to make sure that it would work properly. And so that is what we're doing in this part. And then we will get into the fold next up. Now, another thing is that you want a nice napkin ring. You can use like a rubber band or a ribbon for this, but I decided to use a napkin ring from Totally Dazzle. I will leave their link down below. You guys know I have been using them for years and years and years, and the quality of their napkin rings are amazing. Like, this is the same napkin ring that I ordered back in 2017. That we're going to be using on some of these napkins. I will leave their link down below for you guys to check them out. Keep in mind that I am an affiliate with them, so I do earn a small commission whenever you order using my link, but you also save as well when you order using my link. So with that being said, we have all the napkins now folded, and we're going to get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to turn the triangle where it's pointing towards you, and then you want to roll it up and then flip it over on one side. Now, I tried to flip it 2 sides, and I just didn't like the way that that worked for me. And so it was just easier for me to flip it over on one side and then to take the other tail and to tuck that tail underneath the other side of the bow. And it turned out so cute. It was so quick. It was so easy, so simple. And with bows being all the rave right now, I thought it would be perfect for, you know, a different type of napkin fold for weddings or events or baby showers or bridal showers or, you know, Mother's Day brunch or girlfriend's brunch. I just thought this would be a super, super duper cute napkin fold, and very, very, very easy to do. So that is what it looks like. So I'm going to go through the process and fold up all the napkins for the event. So come along and work with me. I hope you enjoy. Okay, you guys, so we're going to do it slower this time. I'm going to add a little music for your listening pleasure. I'm also going to leave a link down below to Amazon that will have a link to the napkins as well as some of the other napkin rings that you're going to see here, particularly the crown or tiara shaped napkin ring and a pearl napkin ring that I will feature a little bit later on. So be sure to check the description box on how to find the napkins and napkin rings that you see featured in today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's content, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to be a part of the Lux for Less family. And with that being said, many of you all have expressed interest in event planning and design, and you just don't know where to start. I would love to be your virtual mentor by enrolling in my Lux Academy online course. It is a self-paced course. Every single thing you need to get started can be found inside of this course. I've spent the money and I've made the mistakes so that you don't have to. So if that is you, if you are interested in taking your hobby to the next level and turning it into profit, if you're interested in turning your passion into profit, stay tuned to the end of this video for more information. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers! Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Lux Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Lux lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Lux Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxacademy.online.